across to Kerala because in Kerala also we have probably a shift in the election result that is expected going by the exit polls. Arpita joining us. Let's go across to Mohit Bhatt, who's joining us from the BJP headquarters in Delhi. And Mohit, I want to check with you till Arpita comes in. What's going on at the BJP headquarters? Are the laddus already in operation? Anything being rustled up for breakfast or a celebration after? What's happening?
I'll just show visuals around over here, and we can see that how the breakfast is being prepared at the BJP headquarters, and it's being prepared for the office bearers, media and the spokesperson, and you can see the preparations have already started. Though as of now, we cannot see jhali muri or any specifically Bengal specific sweets over here, but what we have been told is that shortly from now that would also be prepared depending upon the trends. Let's speak to people over here. Sir, एक बात बताइए, आज क्या क्या है? क्या झाली मुड़ी है? झाली मुड़ी बनाने का, मिठाई बनाने का कुछ है अभी तक प्लान आपका?
हाँ जी
क्या है?
बंगाली रसगुल्ला है। बंगाली रसगुल्ला
बनेगा
जी।
अच्छा, तो अभी शुरू नहीं करा है?
नहीं, लंच के लिए बन रहा है।
लंच के लिए, कि जब तक थोड़ा पता लग जाएगा कि कौन जीत रहा है।
जी जी।
और साउथ का कुछ बन रहा है स्पेसिफिक? साउथ पार्ट के लिए
साउथ का पोहा है।
और मिठाई में बंगाली रसगुल्ला, झाली मुड़ी नहीं है, तो बंगाली रसगुल्ला दिन में बनेगा। So there you heard, the Bengali rasgulla would be made in the afternoon, and that is also will be prepared post the trends are out. But as of now, the preparations have begun over here at the BJP headquarters, and at around noon we'll see Bengali rasgulla over here being served to the workers, to the spokesperson, to the office bearers after the trends are clear. So as we say,
Rasgulla, and who will get the Shandesh? We only have jhalmuri, unfortunately. We don't have any sweets.
Yeah, because we believe in masala. We